Welcome to our journey into the heart of the forest, where we uncover the secrets of the elusive white langur. These remarkable creatures, with their striking white coats and gentle nature, inhabit a world of vibrant green canopies and ancient trees. Join us as we venture into their domain, a realm where sunlight filters through a tapestry of leaves, and the air hums with the symphony of the jungle. The white langur is a creature of remarkable beauty. Its most striking feature, from which it derives its name, is its pristine white fur, a stark contrast to the emerald tapestry of its jungle home. This coat, however, is more than just a visual spectacle. It serves as a form of camouflage, allowing the langur to blend seamlessly into the dappled light of the forest canopy, making it difficult for predators to spot them against the leaves. Their fur isn't entirely white. Black skin peeks through at the face, hands and feet, creating a striking contrast that further adds to their unique appeal. These black patches are not merely aesthetic, they serve a purpose. The exposed skin is more sensitive to sunlight, allowing the langur to better regulate its body temperature in the warm, humid climate it calls home. Beyond their coloration, white langurs possess other distinctive physical characteristics. Their long, slender limbs are perfectly adapted for an arboreal lifestyle, allowing them to navigate the intricate network of branches with grace and agility. And their long, non-prehensile tails, often exceeding the length of their bodies, act as a counterbalance, providing stability as they leap and climb through the trees. The white langur's range is limited to a very specific region of our planet, the rainforests of Southeast Asia. Here, in countries like Vietnam and Laos, these primates make their home, their lives inextricably linked to the rhythm of the forest. They are particularly fond of evergreen forests, where dense canopies provide ample shelter from the elements and a rich bounty of food. Within these forests, the white langur displays a preference for the upper levels of the canopy, a world bathed in sunlight and alive with the rustling of leaves. Here, high above the forest floor, they have carved out a niche for themselves, a world of interconnected branches and leafy pathways. This arboreal lifestyle offers them a degree of safety from ground-dwelling predators and access to a rich source of food. However, the white langur's habitat is under increasing threat. Deforestation, driven by human expansion and the demand for timber, is encroaching upon their once secure domain. As trees fall silent, so too does the forest, and with it the langurs that call it home. Their survival is intricately linked to the preservation of these forests, a stark reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the impact of human activities. Chapter 3. A leaf-eating specialist, diet and feeding habits. The white langur has evolved a fascinating feeding strategy that sets it apart from many other primates. They are primarily folivores, which means their diet consists mainly of leaves. This is unusual for primates, as leaves are generally low in nutrients and difficult to digest. However, the white langur has adapted to overcome these challenges. Their digestive system is specially designed to break down the tough cellulose found in leaves. They possess a large multi-chambered stomach, similar to that of a cow, which houses a community of microorganisms that aid in the digestion process. This fermentation process allows them to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from their leafy diet. The white langur's feeding behavior is as intriguing as its diet. They are selective eaters, carefully choosing young, tender leaves that are easier to digest and contain higher levels of nutrients. They can often be observed meticulously plucking leaves with their nimble fingers, their movements almost surgical in their precision, and unlike some other primates, they rarely descend to the forest floor in search of food, relying almost entirely on the bounty provided by the trees. Chapter 4. The harmony of the group, social behavior. White langurs are highly social animals, living in cohesive groups that can range in size from a handful of individuals to larger gatherings of over a dozen. These groups are not random assemblages, but rather structured societies with complex hierarchies and fascinating social dynamics. Within these groups, bonds of kinship and friendship run deep, forged through a lifetime of shared experiences. Communication is key to maintaining these social bonds. White langurs communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, each sound conveying a specific message. From soft grunts that signal contentment to alarm calls that warn of danger, their language, though seemingly simple to our ears, is rich in nuance and meaning. They also communicate through touch, with mutual grooming sessions serving not only to maintain hygiene, but also to reinforce social bonds. One of the most endearing aspects of white Langur social behavior is the care and attention given to infants. Within the group, the responsibility of raising the young is shared, with females often taking turns babysitting each other's offspring. This cooperative breeding strategy ensures that infants receive the best possible care and protection, increasing their chances of survival in the challenging rainforest environment. Chapter 5. A Future Uncertain, Conservation Status and Threats. Despite their remarkable adaptations and captivating beauty, the white langur faces an uncertain future. They're classified as an endangered species, their numbers dwindling in the face of relentless threats to their survival. Habitat loss driven by deforestation and human encroachment stands as the most pressing challenge. As forests fall silent, so too do the langurs that rely on them for survival. The illegal wildlife trade poses another significant threat. White langurs, with their striking appearance, are highly sought after for the pet trade and for use in traditional medicine. This cruel and unsustainable practice further decimates their populations, pushing them closer to the brink. And as their numbers decline, so too does the genetic diversity of the species, making them more susceptible to disease and less adaptable to environmental changes. However, there is hope. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect the white langur and their habitat. Efforts are underway to establish protected areas where these primates can live free from the threat of human disturbance. Community-based conservation programs are also crucial, engaging local communities in the conservation efforts and promoting sustainable alternatives to deforestation. Outro, a call to action protecting the white langur. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the white langur. We've witnessed their remarkable adaptations, their intricate social bonds, and the challenges they face in a rapidly changing world. Their story is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. The fate of the white langur, like so many other endangered species, hangs in the balance, but it is not too late to act. By supporting conservation efforts, raising awareness and advocating for responsible environmental policies, we can help ensure that these incredible creatures continue to grace the forests of Southeast Asia for generations to come. Stay tuned for more incredible wildlife stories from the heart of nature. Together, let us strive to be better stewards of our planet, protecting its wonders for future generations to cherish and admire.